A fully featured, low-cost alternative to traditional wood platform trucks, Akro-Mils' new Series 5 wood platform trucks ship unassembled, saving customers in freight costs and warehouse space. Available in 3 deck sizes, 24 inches by 48 inches, 27 inches by 54 inches, and 30 inches by 60 inches, the Series 5 truck deck is made from 4x4 solid kiln-dried hardwood. These trucks are made in the USA. 13-gauge fixed handles in open and crossbar styles feature a durable powder-coated finish. 4 caster options are available, providing up to a 2,400-pound weight capacity.